It's our departure day. We are leaving Hong Kong. We are going to Singapore before going to the airport. So we will explore some shops, some local supermarkets, and to see some of the stuff they sell to eat and drinks, food and stuff like that. So we bought some local sweet bakery. The white one very tasty and the yellow one with mango. They cost only 7 local. This is the first one, and they use actually beans like sweet. In Asia it's very common to use beans like a dessert, like a sweet. And this is very, I don't know the name of it, but it has cocoa on the outside, and this is very inside it has beans, sweet. This, it's different color. This is mango and this is white. Very tasty. Highly advise you to try them. Well, I was curious from another side, and we are in the road just trying. As I said before, you can pay everything with Octopus. That's a local credit card. You can pay the parking, you can pay everything, but here as well it's accepted Visa, MasterCard. Usually nowhere is accepted, so they use this Octopus card and you can pay everything starting from public transport to shops and parking. Yesterday we tried these sweets. They're absolutely delicious. They're soft and inside they have like the flavor of the orange. A lot of plastic. And as well, look at the marketing, it's all about cartoons. Even chips, they have like a cartoon. So that's interesting. I tried this in Philippines. Oh, it's not my taste, but I love this nori. Typical Japanese and as well in other countries in Asia. Very tasty. Love it, absolutely. I like the marketing. It's all about cartoons. These are beans. Like, strange, yeah? And as well this. Fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits. The material for the construction is made of bamboo because of the weather. We have a lunch in this place. It is specialized with tea. Our friend that is here in Hong Kong for work ordered a Tesla, so we will try to see if everything fits inside the car. And yeah, it's our first time in Tesla. And Yuji doesn't know how to open the door.